Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best Kids Hydroflasks is probably one of the most essential items for keeping your little ones hydrated throughout the day, whether they're at school, on the playground, or embarking on exciting adventures. Ensuring they have access to refreshing drinks is paramount for their energy levels and overall well-being, making this a crucial purchase for any parent seeking a reliable and durable hydration solution for their children. Number 5. Hydro-Cell Stainless Steel Insulated Water Bottle. Experience superior hydration with our advanced insulated water bottle. Its triple-wall vacuum stainless steel construction keeps your drinks ice-cold for up to 24 hours or perfectly hot for 12 hours. This makes it the ultimate companion for any adventure, ensuring you always have the coldest or hottest drink available. Find the perfect fit for your lifestyle with a range of sizes available, from compact 14 ounces to a generous 64 ounces. Whether for kids, adults, school, work, or outdoor activities, there's a size for everyone. The wide mouth design even accommodates ice cubes and fruit infusions for refreshing drinks anywhere. Crafted from premium, BPA-free stainless steel, this reusable bottle is built for longevity. It features a secure leak-proof cap or a convenient sports lid with a straw, ensuring no spills when you're on the move. It's ideal for hiking, camping, or any demanding activity. This insulated flask is perfect for athletes and those with active routines. It fits most car cup holders, making it the best choice for gym goers, runners, cyclists, and yoga enthusiasts. Enjoy easy sipping during workouts and stay hydrated all day long. Make a sustainable choice by replacing single-use plastics with our reusable metal water bottle. Available in a variety of modern colors, it combines sleek aesthetics with eco-conscious performance. It's a safe, durable, and stylish option for everyday hydration and outdoor adventures. What we like. This bottle offers exceptional insulation, keeping drinks cold for 24 hours or hot for 12. It comes in a wide range of sizes, from small to large. If you need a versatile bottle for various activities and preferences, this is a great choice. What people say. The insulation is excellent, keeping drinks cold for hours. The wide mouth makes it easy to clean and add ice. Durable construction, it has survived several drops without damage. Number 4. FineDine 32 ounces insulated water bottle. Introducing the FineDine 32 ounces insulated water bottle. Its triple insulation technology keeps your beverages perfectly hot for up to 12 hours or refreshingly cold for up to 24 hours. This versatile bottle comes with 3 unique lids. Easily switch between a mouthpiece for hot drinks, a straw lid for cold beverages, and a wide mouth option for ice or fruit infusions. Designed for durability, it's leak-proof and shatterproof, making it ideal for any adventure. Plus, cleaning is a breeze as it's completely dishwasher safe. With its large capacity and convenient built-in handle, it's perfect for any outing. Take it along on hikes, to the gym, or on any journey you embark on. Crafted from premium 18/8 stainless steel, it's BPA-free and toxin-free. Make a sustainable choice that lasts for years and helps protect the environment. What we like. This option boasts triple insulation for extended temperature retention and includes 3 different lids for ultimate versatility. If you appreciate having options for different drink types and easy cleaning, this bottle is ideal for you. What people say. The straw lid is very convenient for kids to drink from. It keeps drinks cold for a long time, even on hot days. The durable construction holds up well to drops and rough handling. Number 3. Hydro Flask 12 ounces wide mouth bottle. Experience superior temperature retention with our advanced double-wall vacuum insulation. Your drinks will stay hot or cold for hours, no matter the conditions. Never worry about spills again. The innovative Flex Sip lid ensures a completely leak-proof seal, keeping your bag and belongings dry. Crafted from 18/8 pro-grade stainless steel, this bottle is built to last. Enjoy the pure taste of your beverages without any unwanted flavor transfer. The Color Last powder coat not only adds a vibrant, stylish look but also keeps it slip-free and safe for your dishwasher. Designed to fit most cup holders for easy portability. Plus, it's BPA-free and toxin-free, ensuring a healthy hydration experience. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply place it in the dishwasher for a thorough and convenient clean. What we like. This bottle features reliable double-wall insulation and a leak-proof lid for worry-free transport. If you're looking for a durable, easy-to-clean option that fits most cup holders and is perfect for daily use, this is a solid pick. What people say. The straw lid is a game-changer for kids, making it easy for them to drink on the go without spills. Keeps water cold for hours, even on hot summer days, which is perfect for school lunches and sports practices. Durable construction holds up well to drops and daily wear and tear, a great investment for active kids. Number 2. DBIW replacement chug lid for wide mouth bottles. Stay hydrated with ease using this innovative spout lid. Its superior gasket design ensures a 100% leak-proof seal, so you can confidently carry it anywhere. The easy-to-use chug lid allows for quick, one-handed drinking without removing the entire cap. This premium replacement lid is designed to perfectly fit wide-mouth bottles from popular brands like Hydroflask, Nalgene, and Thermoflask. Please ensure your bottle model is compatible before purchasing for a perfect fit. Enjoy safe, leak-proof hydration with this solid chug lid. Simply twist to open for a smooth sip and close tightly for a secure seal. It's ideal for travel, workouts, or daily use, providing a steady stream without any spills. Crafted from premium, BPA-free materials, it's built for your health and durability. The wide mouth design allows for quick sips and easy cleaning. For added convenience, it's top-rack dishwasher safe. As a proud U.S. brand, we are committed to high-quality replacement parts. We stand behind our products and offer reliable customer support. Your satisfaction is our priority. Our upgraded spout unlocks with just a half turn for quick, one-handed drinking. It features chamfered edges that align seamlessly with your bottle for a sleek, unified look, making it a perfect replacement lid. What we like. This is a replacement lid designed for maximum flow and a secure, leak-proof seal. If you have a compatible wide-mouth bottle and want an upgrade for effortless, one-handed drinking on the go, this lid is a fantastic accessory. What people say. The straw lid is very convenient for kids to drink from. It keeps water cold for a very long time, even on hot days. The durable construction holds up well to drops and rough handling. Number 1. Iron Degree Flask 14-ounce Kids Water Bottle. Tired of sweaty bottles? Our double-wall insulation keeps drinks icy cold for up to 14 hours. It's perfect for all your cold beverages. Crafted from premium 18/8 stainless steel, this bottle is BPA-free and non-toxic. You can enjoy your drink without any metallic taste or rust. The straw lid is completely leak-proof when closed, ensuring no spills. Plus, it features a built-in handle for effortless carrying wherever you go. Designed for an active lifestyle, this bottle is built to last. Personalize it with the included 20 name stickers to make it uniquely theirs. Surprise your child with a gift that's both fun and functional. Choose their favorite color and give them a durable, memorable present they'll love for years. What we like. This kid's bottle is specifically designed to keep drinks cold for up to 14 hours and features a leak-proof straw lid. If you're searching for a durable, fun, and personalized water bottle for a child, complete with name stickers for easy identification, this is the perfect option. What people say. The straw lid is very convenient for kids to drink from. It keeps water cold for a very long time, even on hot days. The durable construction holds up well to drops and rough handling. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.